These glow-in-the-dark pickleballs have been so fun. So right now it's dusk out, so I feel like it's not going to give you the full effect of it, but you can obviously, it's very well illuminated. So it comes with this little tool, and you can see that little like X or plus sign right there. And to turn the light on, you turn it clockwise, and to turn it off, you turn it counterclockwise. And then you can see one of them's on and the other ones are off. My family is just playing pickleball. We're just playing for fun right now, just to kind of show you what it looks like. But look how well you can track the ball. Like, even though it's not pitch black out, it is the most vibrant thing in the video. It's so easy to keep track of, unlike if you're using a regular non-light up ball. But we ended up playing till like 9 p.m. and it was pitch black, and we were still able to play because of the pickleball. So it's just such a fun little nighttime activity. I love that it comes with a set of 6 so that you can leave them in different places. I'm keeping some at my cabin and then taking some home with me. So such a great spring, summer, fall find. We live in Minnesota, so we can't use it in the winter, but we finally had nice weather. So we love them. We actually got these gifted to us, and I'm obsessed. It has totally leveled up our pickleball game.